Have you ever wanted to create something like this in Power BI? With the Zero BI custom visuals, this is actually quite easy, and today I'm going to show you how you can create this. So let me first create a brand new page to start from scratch. So add a new page, and then I add the Zero BI charts visual, increase the size, and then what I need to do is add the category, which in our case is the accounts, to the category field. And also I need to add the values field to the values. And then you need to use the chart slider to move from this chart type to the actual waterfall chart. So let's use the chart slider and move to the right. And once you are at the waterfall, this is where you actually start preparing the report. So as you can see now, I only have green and red bars, but basically I also want to have totals and subtotals, so I need to define this per category. So let's start from the left. On the left I have EBIT 2018, and when you right click, you can then say this is actually a result. This is not a positive effect, so it shouldn't be green. It's really a result from where we then do the bridge chart to the next result. So I define this as a result. The next one would be sales revenue. Sales revenue is a positive KPI. So for positive KPIs, revenues, turnover, you don't need to do anything. So sales revenue stays as it is. Other operating income is also an income, so nothing to do there. But material is a cost-related KPI, so it's a bad KPI, it's cash out, it's something that we need to reverse. This shouldn't be a green bar going up, it should be a red bar going down. So right click and invert, and then you see that it's going from plus 12 green to plus 12 but red. And the same for personnel, because this is costs, so invert. Freight, this is also invert. Advertising, of course, it's also cost, so it needs to be inverted. Other operating expenses, it's the same. Depreciations, of course, also inverted. Financial result, in our case, this is a positive KPI, so it needs to stay as it is. And then I have EBIT of the following year, EBIT 2019, which of course is a subtotal or a total. So right click and select result. And then we only have the foreign exchange rate change, which can stay as it is. And then I have EBT FX corrected, which of course is a result as well. And once I mark this as a result, I now have the final waterfall or bridge chart showing me the effects between EBIT 2018 to EBIT 2019 and actually also FX effect corrected EBT or EBIT of 2019. And this is something that is just not, well, it's quite hard to do in default Power BI, but with the help of the Zero BI visuals, this can be done in under a few minutes, which your business people, your end users will actually love to see. So for more cool Power BI tricks, please take a look at all the other articles on the Zero BI Help Center page.